Among the many music streaming services you have to choose from, Spotify still remains one of the top choices. It's simple to use, has a user-friendly interface, a free version, and a great set of premium features available for reasonable money. Whichever version you use, free or premium, Spotify comes with a great variety of useful features. Let's dig a little deeper and uncover some of the less well-known Spotify tips and tricks that will help you become a pro Spotify user. Recover playlists you've accidentally deleted. If you ever change your mind about deleting one of your playlists, or maybe if you deleted one by accident, you can restore it using this special feature. To recover a deleted playlist, you'll need to access Spotify web, not the Spotify app. Log into your Spotify account and then head over to your account page. Find Recover Playlists in the menu on the left sidebar. Now select the playlist you want back and click Restore. After this, you'll be able to find that playlist on the app on all of your devices again. Set your preferred music quality. One top Spotify tip is that Spotify allows you to manually set your preferred music quality. To find this feature, open the Spotify app and go to Settings. Under Music Quality, you'll find options to change streaming quality and normalize volume. Click on the drop-down menu on the right-hand side to set the quality you want. Remember that the higher the quality you choose, the more data it will use. Also, note that the very high option is currently only available for Spotify Premium users. Drag and drop links to your favorite songs. Most people share songs from Spotify using the button for that purpose, but there's an easier way to do it. In your desktop app, you can just drag and drop songs. Choose the song, click on it and drag it to any message box. Spotify will automatically turn it into a link for the song with the title and artist name. Now you can share your favorite tracks with people on Facebook or via email in no time at all. Hide your listening habits using the secret playlist. By default, Spotify has your activity set to public, meaning that everyone can see what you're listening to at any time. However, there's a private session option that hides it for at least 6 hours at a time. A more user-friendly alternative, however, is to activate the private playlist feature. To create a secret playlist, tap on the 3 dots and choose Make Secret. You can also change any existing playlist from public to private. Listen to non-Spotify music on Spotify. Spotify has a lot of music on offer, but there are still plenty of songs that you won't find on the service. The fix is actually pretty easy if you already have your own music. If the song you're looking for isn't on Spotify, you can add it from an outside source. In order to do that, open the desktop app and go to Settings. Keep scrolling down until you find Local Files. After you turn on Show Local Files, you'll see an Add Source button under it. Click it to add any non-Spotify music. If you'd like to know even more cool Spotify tricks, check out the full article linked in the description below. See you next time.